Hello students, welcome to English World. Learn better by best experience. This is Heman Nabdya, English educator at SBM Sarda Vihar Bhopal. Today I am going to teach you poem number 4, that is how to tell wild animals by Carolyn Bells. So listen carefully and try to understand fully. Poem number 4, how to tell wild animals by Carolyn Bells. If ever you should go by chance to jungle in the east, and if there should to you advance a large and tawny beast, if he roars at you as you are dying, you will know it is the Asian lion. Or if it's something when roaming around, a noble wild beast greets you with black stripes on a yellow ground. Just notice if he eats you. This simple rule may help you learn the Bengal tiger to discern. If strolling forth a beast you view, whose hide with spots is peppered, as soon as he has leapt on you, you will know it is the leopard. It will do no good to roar with pain. He will only lap and lap again. If when you are walking round your yard, you meet a creature there who hugs you very, very hard, be sure it is bear. If you have any doubts, I guess he will give you just one more cares. Though to distinguish beasts of prey, a novice might nonplus the crocodile you always may tell from the hyena. Thus hyena come with merry smiles, but if they be, they are crocodile. The true chameleon is small, a lizard sort of thing. He has not any ears at all and not a single wing. If there is nothing on the tree, this is the chameleon you see. So now come to the explanation. Number 1, recognition of wild animals. In the poem How to Tell Wild Animals, poet describes various wild animals in a very funny way and how to recognize them. Number 2, the Asian lion. According to poet, if the reader go to jungle in the east and meet to large aloes beast, and if it roars at him and he feels dying, then he has recognized an Asian lion or the Asian lion. It could kill a person with its roar. Number 3, the Bengal tiger. According to poet, if an animal that roams in the jungle belongs to a noble wild beast with black stripes on aloe's body, and if you feel that he kills you and eats you up, then you have recognized a Bengal tiger. Number 4, the leopard. If you are walking in the jungle and meet an animal with the spots on it, and if it looks so fast that it does leap and leap on you and kills you, then you have recognized leopard. Number 5, the bear. If you are walking in the nearby house or in your yard and meet a creature that hugs you tightly, then definitely it's a bear. And if you have any doubt, you can feel by giving bear hug. It will hug you softly and love you also. Number 6, the hyenas and crocodiles. Poet describes two beasts of prey. They are hyenas and crocodiles. If they come with merry smiles, then definitely they are hyenas. And if they weep or shed their tears, then they are definitely crocodiles. Number 7th, the chameleon. Here poet describes a small creature that looks like lizard, and it doesn't have ears and wings. It can change its color according to the surface. If you find nothing on the tree, then definitely it must be chameleon sitting on it. That's all. Finally, I am giving you summary and extracts. So go through the summary and extract along with the question answers to score 4 out of 4 marks.